Good morning, people of the grid. It's Sunday and we survived the rough weather yesterday. We actually didn't make it out here to the campsite, and it was about 1 in the morning because we were at Barry and Brandy's. We watched Artemis Fowl. I think I slept through parts of it, so I'm going to have to watch it again. Looked like a good movie. There were some green flying guys in it. Yeah, it looked like a good movie. And then when we got here, the tent was down on its side, but Amelia and Annie got it back up really quick. It survived pretty well. It's kind of made to collapse like that, so it just sort of bends down under the pressure, and providing it doesn't get beaten up too bad, the rods don't bend. They didn't, and they had a good sleep last night. Last night the winds were very light, so they had a comfortable sleep. We had a comfortable sleep inside, had a good breakfast. We watched RV the movie. We usually watch that at least once a year with Robin Williams. It's a great movie. And we came outside, and I thought I would put the remaining graphics that we had from the trailer, the decals, onto the golf cart. So we did that, and then I had I had one left over, and I put it on the side of the trailer. So check that out. That little one right there. So we added that just now. I think that looks pretty good. And then I'll show you the golf cart because that turned out really good too. We thought we'd come down and check out the lake. Before we do that, check out the cart. Hey, what do you think, Tammy?
It looks good.
See we put the VR1 here with the swoosh, Melissa and I.
Looks good.
There's a swoosh on the inside.
Where's the swoosh on the inside?
More decals.
Yeah, more decals.
I was reading on the internet, apparently Canadians and people from the US say decals different.
They say
Decals.
decals.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're saying it wrong. So we got a decal there. Look at the big VR1 in the front. Nice.
Now it's personalized.
Yeah.
And it matches our trailer. And it looks good.
Yeah, I think it turned out really good. Now we'll be able to tell which cart is ours because there's a lot of white carts here. And ours looks exactly like Patricia's.
Yeah.
And Ashley and Heidi's, but
she has bigger tires.
they've got little bear paw stickers, so at least now we can differentiate. Before we had ours on, but now ours, we'll know exactly which one is ours.
Ours looks really cool.
Yeah.
Now we have to give it a name.
We do have to
What
give
are
it a
our
name.
options?
I like Voyager
Yeah.
from
Star Trek.
the Voyager from Star Trek.
Yeah.
The other one I like is Millennium Falcon.
Also good. No Tron things.
Melissa Jr.
You know, we could call it the Light Runner
No, I don't want to do
0.5.
No.
Melissa
Do you guys have any
0.5.
ideas? Like Tron stuff?
Could call
Let
it
us know.
Grid Boy.
Disney. Call it the Disney Express.
The Disney Express.
Come on. You guys let us know what
You guys let us know. We'll let you know if we pick one of your ideas.
Disney Express.
Disney Express? No, it's already taken.
What's that?
You'd get a copyright strike from Disney. Hey guys, you're in the truck with Miker and Melissa. And our weekend isn't quite over yet. It's sort of, what is it? It's 5:30 p.m. on Sunday evening. We've left the campsite. We basically lock the door, make sure everything is put away so that it doesn't blow away. And we're heading home, but we have a pit stop. Where are we pit stopping, Melissa?
At our cousin's house.
And why are we pit stopping at our cousin's house? At Grandma and Grandpa's house, actually.
Because my sister Samantha made my dad decide to get a kitten.
She convinced me to get a kitten, didn't she? So we're gonna pick up the little kitten.
We might name it Twig.
We might name it Twig. He's coming home with us. We're gonna have to get the shots and the stuff and the tag for him and get him neutered. Yeah, so
Tinkerbell's probably gonna be.
we're getting a free kitten, but he comes with a whole bunch of money we got to spend, isn't he? So I'm driving the truck. Tammy's driving the Tesla Model S, and we've got Annie and Amelia up there with Samantha. We've got Stitch and Melissa in here. We've got the Tesla tires that we swapped over. Those are my winter tires. Those are going home. I think we're going to bring the truck out next week as well. If I can get a truckload of firewood, then we can leave the truck out at the campsite and we'll just be going back and forth with the Teslas because that's free. So that's the plan. Or it's really close to free. It's much cheaper than gas for us. All right, let's go check out this kitten situation. Well, what do you say, Sammy? We got a new kitten.
I love him.
He's pretty cute.
Yeah.
We pit stopped at Grandma and Grandpa's. We picked up our kitten, and Amelia's friend Annie picked up her 2 kittens that she's bringing home. Now, they're not ready for their 2 kittens until the end of this week, so we have offered to watch her 2 kittens until they're ready to take them home. So, yeah, we're going to have 3 extra cats in our house. We're going to have to put them in our garage, I think, Sam.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. We'll talk to Mom.
That makes sense. Yeah.
So yeah, we are on the drive home. We're gonna pit stop at one of the gas stations, maybe get some ice cream, maybe get some chocolate bars. We'll be home for dinner with Ethan.
You'll have a very nice surprise.
We will have a nice surprise. They're so cute. Watch out, Amy.
Dude, you're fat enough. You don't need any more.
They eat so messy.
I know.
Well, we made it home. The kittens are doing good. Melissa's downstairs with our original cat, Tinkerbell, giving her as much love as she can so she doesn't stress over the new kittens here. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Well, I think we'll leave you with that for your viewing enjoyment. Kittens having dinner.